heading down to the bees again. We are hoping, well ideally, we're wanting them to have 6 full frames of honey in there going into winter. Eventually we'll be taking that top box off to winter them down. What I'm doing today is, I've got this here, which is a feeder. We did this last year. We've mixed up a whole heap of sugar water. Aston's carrying a bottle. And obviously that's not stuff that we would get as honey for ourselves. This is just for making sure the bees have got plenty of feed over winter. So, let's see what's going on in there. Oh, look, I don't imagine there'll be much on the, nothing on there.
Oh, there's one tiny bit.
Yeah, this top box we might even look at taking off. We'll just...
Why?
Well, because we want to start condensing them down for winter. So, oh, you can see they've started a little globule there. What are they doing on there?
Nothing on this side.
Oh, that's all nice new comb. Oh, lots of nectar on there.
Oh yeah.
See lots of shiny nectar.
You can definitely tell by the heaviness.
Let's have a look on the other side. Oh yeah, same story. Storing lots of nectar in there, love it.
Oh, gee, yeah.
Oh yeah, lots and lots of nectar in there. Good on you, bees, you've been busy.
Oh, look, we've even got one capped over place.
Do they? Where?
Yeah, see?
I can't see. Oh yep, there's one there, capped over. Oh, they're capping over a few bits
Oh,
there.
Yeah. Is that
Okay.
honey? Yeah, that's honey.
Yeah, it will be. Oh, yeah,
yeah,
same
got some
story
capped
again, a
over
nice
stuff.
concentration of nectar around where the bees are.
Got some capped over too.
Yeah. And it's like that, they're just starting to build. That's looking nice and new and yellow. Should we just pack those back up? We'll have a look on the second box, see what's happening.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, that's our weird shaped one. Not much on that side, but yeah.
They've made many tunnels.
Oh, I can see the honey on that one already.
Is there?
So I ideally want 6 frames.
Oh, this one's much heavier.
At least like that. that's sort of half full on this side. Got plenty of
Oh, you can...
nectar and pollen where there isn't capped over honey though.
Is the black stuff like different stuff?
The black bit, which do you mean? Do you mean like the black capped over bits?
Yes.
No, that's just honey.
And what about the black non-capped over bits?
Do you mean like all the bits in between here?
No,
There's some bits that are pollen.
those.
Not sure.
But
I mean,
they're
you can see
feeding
the...
off.
I think they've actually just opened up one of their things of honey and they're having a bit of a munch.
Oh, okay. Oh, and it's just darkish in there that it looks...
Yeah, because the frame itself is black.
Oh, yeah. Oh, much
That's
heavier.
That's looking awesome. That's over half done on that side. And I can see it now. Oh, yeah.
This one is the heaviest so far.
That's another halvesy. Oh, yeah.
Literally...
Oh, yeah, they're filling up along the top there. Nice. Good work. Seeing as for some reason I seem to be the assistant this time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bit of stuff going on there.
Oh, heaps.
Is there? Oh, is it all that? Oh, yeah, that side's looking a bit better.
That's a bit over half, maybe.
I'd say they're almost where they need to be for winter.
I think they are actually where they're supposed to be.
Well, we've got, I'd sort of, how many frames is that? 1, 2, 3,
That's
4.
about one.
I'd say we got about 4 or 5 decent frames there. Got a feeder there. Just got that from the Hive Doctor from Ecritech. For those not familiar, you top up these holes here with sugar water. Because we're it's not a standard feed. We're wanting them to stock up for winter. I've mixed it up about one part water, 2 parts sugar, something like that. I didn't measure it too accurately, but a much concentrated mixture of sugar to water. Fill it up and they'll grab it out of here and just pop it straight into the hive. And there's lots of little holes down here for them to sort of grip onto, so if they fly down and get in the water, they can climb back up without drowning, the idea is. So, let's put that in instead of a couple of frames.
Looks so unhappy.
Filled up a couple of old 2-litre bottles, so...
Is this 2 litre?
Yep.
Oh.
So pour that in one and... they'll be loving that.
All of it?
Yep. Going straight for the little spots that you've dripped.
Wait, do they move it into the hive? Like,
Yeah, well they'll eat some of it, and some of it they'll
move.
they turn it into not quite honey, but like I guess you'd say fake honey.
Okay. Should we do the next box?
Loving the drips.
That will at least give them another frame or 2.
I won't take the top box off just yet.
That's a very good position for the smash box.
Nah. And I won't take the queen excluder off yet either.
Why?
I don't think we'll quite winter them down just yet, 'cause we're still getting some quite nice days. And yeah.
No, but I mean, like, will you check that?
Oh, we can check it.
Yeah.
We'll check it, see how they're going.
I like being an anti-assistant.
You like being the main beekeeper.
There is a big
There's some little bits of brood, but not a lot.
Bees.
Yeah, they do. Not a lot to comment on. We've still got some. We still got some brood going on there. See a little. Let's hold this still for a second. Put out your head for you. There's a little bit of brood in there. I saw one little grub. Oh yeah. I still see some little grubbies in there. Okay, so she's still laying, but I'd say not nearly as much, which is to be expected. Yeah, so we're just at the tail end of all the brood going on. There we go, that's one more check done. Well, I'll probably condense this one in with the next check, so we'll see you in a few weeks' time when we do the wintering down of them. Back here with the beehive, I'm going to look at fully wintering it down today, hopefully. Ideally, because of course you'll have seen a while back, I haven't checked on them for quite a while. I'm hoping they will have emptied that sugar water that I put in there for them. And I'm hoping we'll have at least 6 reasonably full frames of honey, or sugar water honey, in there for them to eat over winter. Now ideally you don't want to keep the sugar water in there over winter because it can get a lot of condensation. What we have done, not last year but I think some other years, we've actually put a lot of beekeepers wrap core flute around their beehives, especially ones that live in really, really cold areas. It does sometimes snow here in winter, but last time we lost our queen. It didn't go so well for us. Last time we survived winter okay with them was when we did not wrap it. So what I'm going to do is condense it down I'm going to take the queen excluder out so she has access to all the feed. Take the top box off. juggle the frames around a bit so they've got maximum feed in there. So, and yeah, we'll see how they're doing, fingers crossed. They certainly seem a lot quieter than they have been previously. Not much on here. I think that is all sort of new frame that they've built on there, but nothing actually being stored. You know, again, all new stuff that they've been slowly building up on. Same story. Yeah, so their top box, there's really nothing on there. Pretty much taken most of that. Okay, so we've got a bit of stuff stored on there, but not what I'd call a full frame. That's a bit heavier. Again, a little bit there. You know, they're working on it. Top bit of that frame. Again, bits and pieces. Sort of got half a frame full there. That's more like what I was hoping to see. Bee's busy just capping a bit over there. About half full on that side. That's better. What do we got here? Another sort of halvesy. So plenty of stuff getting stored. And they're just starting to store it on that side. And that's the weird one that they were sort of building on, but they're not really storing anything in that. So these frames have all got something in them. Not as much as I would like, but something. So I'm hoping we'll have some frames on the bottom. Of course, we've got the Queen excluder here. We'll leave that off now. Her Majesty can roam free and grab food as she needs it. Quite dark comb they've got on here. What does that mean? There's quite a bit of nectar here, quite a bit of pollen and nectar being stored. Oh, there is still a bit of brood there. And some larvae. Oh, there's Queenie. Yeah, wandering around the top there. Okay. So she's still with us, good to know. Still got some larvae, which is interesting. I wouldn't have expected that, but there we go. I'm going to put this back because they just don't have as much feed as I want them to for over winter. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames that are about a third full. That doesn't make me happy, so I'm going to go and mix up some more sugar water. I'm going to fill this back up and I might come back in another couple of weeks' time. You don't want to leave the sugar water in here throughout the duration of winter because it can make it very moist in the hive. It can cause condensation, and that is not good for the bees. So we do want to take the feeder out come, you know, the midst of winter. But we've potentially got another few weeks where the weather's going to be quite mild. So I'm going to go and mix up some more sugar water. I'm going to make it a nice thick syrupy water, which they're much more likely to store as honey, and yeah, fill that up, and I'll check on them again in another 2 or 3 weeks and see how they're going. Fingers crossed. So that's just my little update for now. In the meantime, hit the like button, leave me a comment, especially if you have any bee related advice, hit subscribe. And we will see you maybe not next week. I'm actually up in the North Island next week, but maybe the week after. But yeah, hit me up if you've got any questions or tips or anything like that. Have fun out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.